Ms. Miller, we are going to have a few students check on your headache. Is that okay? Yes, it's okay. Okay.
Hello, Miss Miller. How are you doing today? My name is Kimberly, and I'm with LETU Nursing.
Thank you.
Okay. She said she could be better.
You could be better? Are you having a headache today? Is that why you're here?
So I would typically not say, are you having a headache today? Is that why you're here? What would I say?
What brings you in today? What brings you in?
Okay, yes. So I hear you're not feeling well today. All right. All right.
Hello. How are you?
We're good. We're here to help you with your headache today. Make it better.
Let's go one at a time because we're just kind of, yeah. So one person can come and be the nurse and just talk to her like you would. Okay. Instead of us just kind of.
Yeah. Which one do you want to do? Whichever. Okay, if you want to be next turn. Okay, so we're going to help you get better today. We're going to make that pain of your headache go away. Is that okay? Okay, well, I'm Caitlin. I'm a LETU Nursing School student, and that's Kimberly, and that's Jasmine. We're going to help you all three today. Okay. Onset. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me when your headache started?
I would go ahead and be able, and literally be just like you would with a real patient. So really we need to be as patient-centered as we can be. It's okay for you to pull up and talk to Valerie like you would any patient. Valerie, so it's not really like, let's just, because this would be really, if we're being patient-centered and we're being caring, it's not about the questions, it's about her. So if I'm not making eye contact and I'm standing over here, and I'm talking to Valerie over here and going, hey, when did your headache start? That's really not really what we want to see. We want to see you be able to come in and sit down with her and be able to talk to her and be able to move and say what's going on. So I want to see that.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want? Oh, okay. Do you want each of us to like sit down?
Please do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Please do.
Okay. Hi, Miss Valerie. I'm Caitlin. I'm a LETU Nursing School student. I'm here to kind of check up on you because I know you're having a headache today. So, is it okay if I kind of just ask you some questions about your headache and help it get better? Can you tell me when your headache first started? Okay.
It's been 2 weeks now.
Really? Is there anything that makes it better?
Okay, keep talking.
Okay, well, I'm going to see if we can make some of those other things better. Does medicine make it better at all?
Good job.
If not, then I can have some, do you have any favorite songs, like music? Or I can just sit here and talk and we can make it better. If there's any, kind of TV shows that you like. Okay, well, can you rate your pain on a scale of 0 to 10 right now for your headache? Okay, so it's about like a 7.
Good job.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do everything that I can to make it better. And I know that there's some things like Tylenol and stuff that I can give you, but if not, we can do some other things if you don't want to take medication.
Okay, so when we were talking to her, we don't want to tell her that because she didn't say, I don't want to take medication.
Okay.
So remember that when you're being patient, like if you said that and she wanted to take medication, she wouldn't be as willing to tell you because you told her that if she doesn't, don't be very, when you're doing the patient interview, make sure that you're staying really, really, truly, truly patient-centered. So let her talk to you and give you what needs to, don't overspeak, don't try to say more than you need to, and make sure that all you're doing is really focusing on helping her with patient-centered care. Another thing I like that you had gloves on. Make sure you're not touching. Be careful about your gloves and what you're adjusting because all of that is really, when you have gloves on, try to keep your hands to where you wore gloves so you can protect the patient and stay with that. So, all right, you did really, really good. Remember that that's what I want. I'm more interested in the caring behaviors the patient-centered approach.